Good morning, students. Class 7 Social Studies. Once again, today I have taken up the history section in which we'll read chapter 5, naming the Great Mughals. The Mughals established an all India empire and managed to keep it well lit over 2 centuries. That means 2 centuries तक उन्होंने अपने empire को hold रखा. Further, the administrative system they created outlasted their rule. The first 6 Mughal emperors are known as the Great Mughals. Babur 1526 to 1530. The first Mughal emperor was Babur. He ruled Fargana in Central Asia at a time when the Lodi kings were ruling over the Delhi Sultanate. The local rulers invited Babur to come to India and defeat the Lodis. Babur had heard a lot about the fabled wealth of Hindustan and thought that it was a good opportunity to expand his kingdom. जिस समय लोधी किंग्स दिल्ली पे रूल कर रहे थे एट द सेम टाइम बाबर वॉज रूलिंग ओवर फरगना इन सेंट्रल एशिया. That time, the local rulers of Delhi invited Babur to come to India and defeat the Lodhis because they didn't like them. बाबर ने हिंदुस्तान की जो वेल्थ है फेमस, आप कह सकते हो फेबल्ड मीन्स फेमस बाय रेपुटेशन, उसके बारे में सुन रखा था. सो ही थॉट दैट दिस टाइम वॉज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर हिम टू एक्सपैंड हिज किंगडम. सो ही केम टू इंडिया. In 1526, Babur met Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat. The Lodi army was many times bigger than that of Babur's. Babur, however, had a battle-hardened cavalry. बाबर की आर्मी भी स्ट्रॉन्ग थी बिकॉज उनके पास बहुत अच्छी कैवलरी थी. कैवलरी मीन्स द सोल्जर्स हु fight on horseback and an efficient artillery. Artillery you can say having big guns and arms. He defeated Ibrahim Lodi and conquered Delhi and Agra. He defeated him and he conquered Delhi and Agra. Next year, he defeated Rana Sanga of Mewar at Khanau. 2 years later, he defeated the Afghan chiefs at Ghagra. So these 3 battles secured Babur's position in northern India. That means after conquering these regions, he became powerful in the northern region. Achievements. Babur was a brilliant general. He was also an accomplished poet and writer. यानी बहुत अच्छे पोइट और राइटर भी थे. His autobiography वो होती है जो बुक एक पर्सन खुद लिखता है अपनी लाइफ के बारे में. His name is Tazak-e-Baburi or Baburnama. In it, Babur has described the physical features, climate, animals, birds, flowers, fruits, and the life of the people and places he visited. He has also written about his own life in detail. Next ruler we have the Humayun. Babur was succeeded by his eldest son Humayun. Now there are different dates given, you can see. First he ruled from 1530 to 1540 and then there is a gap again and then he ruled from 1555 to 1556. The other sons of Babur, naming Kamran, Hindal and Askari were given charge of smaller areas. बाबर ने अपने बेटे हुमायूं को अपनी जगह बिठाया और जो उनके बाकी सन थे उनको डिफरेंट स्मॉल एरियाज दे दी टू रूल ओवर एंड टेक द चार्ज. नाउ जो डिफ़िकल्टीज फेस को हुमायूं ने उसके बारे में यहाँ है. द नेम हुमायूं मीन्स फॉर्चुनेट. हुमायूं जो वर्ड नाम है उसका मतलब होता है फॉर्चून यानी जिसका लक बहुत अच्छा हो. बट द सेकेंड मुगल एम्परर दैट मीन्स हुमायूं के बारे में बताया जा रहा है हैड मैनी प्रॉब्लम्स फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट. यानी वेरी फर्स्ट जब उन्होंने अपनी फादर की किंगडम को संभालना शुरू किया था स्टार्टिंग से ही बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहे थे. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? द किंगडम वॉज स्टिल विदाउट अ प्रॉपर सिस्टम ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. यानी जो ऑफिशियल वर्क करने का पैटर्न था दैट वॉज नॉट प्रॉपर. सेकेंड, हुमायूंस ब्रदर्स वेर डिससैटिस्फाइड. यानी हमने जो देखा कि बाबर ने अपने बाकी तीनों जो सन थे उनके बाकी 3 उन्हें डिफरेंट स्मॉलर एरियाज दी थी टू टेक केयर बट दे वर नॉट हैप्पी विद द टेरिटरीज विच दे वर गिवन. थर्ड, द किंगडम वॉज अंडर थ्रेट फ्रॉम ऑल साइड्स. किससे खतरा था? The Rajputs, Bahadur Shah, the ruler of Gujarat, and the Afghans were preparing to fight Humayun. Sher Shah, the Afghan king, had established a powerful kingdom in eastern India and wanted to expand it towards northern India. शेर शाह जो अफ़गान से थे, उन्होंने ऑलरेडी साउदर्न इंडिया पे अपना जो किंगडम है इस्टेब्लिश कर रखा था. नाउ ही वांटेड इट टू एक्सपैंड टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्दर्न इंडिया ऑल्सो. In 1532, Humayun and Sher Shah met on the battlefield for the first time. Humayun won and captured the fort of Chunar. In 1534, Humayun defeated Bahadur Shah and captured Gujarat and Malwa. However, Humayun did not have time to build upon his victories. शेर शाह रीग्रुप यानी जब तक हुमायूं अपनी जीत का जश्न मनाते उससे पहले शेर शाह रीग्रुप्ड and defeated Humayun at Chausa in 1539 and Kannauj in 1540. That means two battles were fought between these two kings. He chased Humayun out of his own kingdom. यानी वो उन्होंने हुमायूं को अपने ही किंगडम में चेज़ किया. उसके अकॉर्डिंग हुमायूं एस्केप टू पर्शिया यानी हुमायूं पर्शिया चले गए और वहाँ उन्होंने 15 ईयर्स स्पेंड किए इन एक्सिल. नाउ एक्सिल मीन्स staying away from home for a longer period of time. During this time, the Sur Empire under Sher Shah reigned supreme in India. Reign means ruled as a monarch. In 1555, Humayun returned to India. Sher Shah had died and the Sur Empire had become weak. हुमायूं fought and recaptured the territories he had lost. यानी जो टेरिटरीज हुमायूं ने लूज़ की थी उसने फाइट करके दोबारा उन्हें रिकैप्चर कर लिया and became the Mughal ruler once again. Shortly afterwards, he fell from the steps of his library in Sher Mandar in Purana Killa and died a few days later. He was succeeded by his son Akbar. यानी हुमायूं के बाद उनके बेटे अकबर ने उनके एम्पायर को संभाला. Today we'll end up here. You go through the content which we have read today. If you have any queries regarding this, please let me know in the feedback in our WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you class.